It's been a great opportunity. I never knew that there was something out there like this. It's hard to get your foot in the door when you're trying to do something new, so it's awesome that they can provide this opportunity.
My personal opinion of the staff here at AmSkills and how they've helped me is very high. They've not only helped me with the projects, but they help motivate me to be more successful in the industry and in life in general. I'm very grateful for all their help.
I thought engaging with the peers was a great experience. Being able to meet people that you haven't met before, people from all different trades and experience, really helped to broaden the knowledge that you receive here.
I believe the virtual reality would be a very good benefit. It gives the person in the virtual reality the idea or the feeling that they're in the workplace, but not with the dangers, so I think it's a really good learning tool.
I think everybody is going for the positive. Everybody's looking to help each other out because, like I said, it's for your success. Nobody wants to see anybody fail. Even if you're having more difficulty, they'll make sure you're up to pace where you feel comfortable.
The staff at AmSkills has been amazing, super helpful. They're always looking to make sure that you understand, what you're working on or how to do, a certain cut or, use a certain tool. So they make sure that you really know your stuff before they move on to the next person.
Before I attended AmSkills, I thought I was ready. However, I'm confident now that I am ready for the future in manufacturing.